Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to sell digital products on Whoop. Okay, so first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for whoop.com. And here I'm going to use Canva as well as my tool to create my digital products. Okay, so here, let's go back to the Whoop tab. And here, we just have to click on the Start Selling option. Okay, so here we have to create our Whoop. So simply click on this Create Whoop. So in order to create an account, we can use our Discord account, Google, or Apple. Or we can simply type out right here our email. So I'm just going to use Google for this one. Okay, so simply click on the Google account that you are going to use and click on continue after that. All right, so you have to type out right here the code that has been sent to your email. So make sure that the email that you are going to use is active. So let's proceed and go open my email account. So here is the code. So we are going to use this one. So we have 330-289. 330-289. Okay, so here, what's your name? So I'm just going to use this one and then click on next after that. Okay, so simply click on next and then type it right here your birthday. Okay, so I'm just going to select the year. That's right, and then click on next. And here you have to choose your profile, so you can also upload your own or choose from one of the default avatars that you can see right here. So I'm just going to use this one and click on save. That's right. And now let's create your business. So just simply click on continue and then which model best describes your offer. Coaching or courses, agency services, paid group, newsletter, or physical products. Then here, which industry best describes your offer? We have AI trading, business, health and wellness. You just have to use your you just have to choose your industry. All right, and then click on your country right here. Make sure to select the country that you are living in. So you're just going to select the Philippines and then click on continue. And of course, you have to give your business a name. So I'm just going to name this one as Kois. And then create business. Alright, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And finally, we have here now our account. So this is basically our dashboard. Okay, so right here to upload your product or create a product, just simply click on this product option that you can see right here. And then you can now click on this create product option or this one. So simply click on it. Okay, so just have to give your product a title. For example, poster. Okay, and then you can also add here headlines. I'm just going to generate using AI based on the title that I have. And then, of course, you have to give this product a description so you can describe your offer in 3 to 4 sentences right here. And then, of course, for the pricing, we have here the different ways. We have one time and recurring. So I'm just going to proceed with one time and then I'm going to change the amount to $50. And then you can also choose your currency right here. Okay, and then if you would like to add another pricing option, you can also create this one right here. Just simply click on the create product option after providing all of the details that you need to put here. Okay, so just simply click on done after that. So this is now our poster right here. So basically this is our product. Okay, so this is how it looks like if someone view your product using the phone, and this is here the desktop view. Okay, so since we already have our product right here, the next thing that we are going to do here is to go to the checked out links. Okay, now we have to create our checked out link. So just simply click on this create checked out link. That's right. Okay, so basically this is the checkout link for our very first product here on Whoop. So this is our product, right? So you have to select your product and then just type out right here the description and then the one-time payment and then click on the create checkout link. Okay, now your checkout link has been copied to your clipboard. Okay, so when someone visit your store, so to be able to get this buy now option, so they just have to simply click on this one. Okay, and now for the payments, let's proceed to the payment. Here we can get our first paying customer, so just have to click and share the Whoop below. So let's go to the product section. Okay, so we can copy the link for this one and then we can use our social media platforms to upload the link so that people will see our products. Now let's go to the payout section. Okay, so right here you'd be able to see your Whoop payment. So this section you will see your available balance that you can withdraw, and then we also have here the additional payment methods. If we want to set up our PayPal to accept payments from PayPal, so we can do that as well. Just simply click on the setup option. We can also set up Coinbase Commerce to accept crypto payments. And here we can see here the transfers data. So since we don't have any transfers yet, so we cannot really see those details right here. Okay, so again, make sure that the product that you are going to create is a trend or relevant to the people that you are going to market your product, because it's going to be useless if you're just going to create random products and people can just create that specific digital product on their own. Okay, so again, if you want to create another product, just simply click on this one right here. But for now, let's proceed and edit this product. So we have the title of this product right here, right? Okay, so we have here the pricing and we have already created one checked out links for this product, so we can view that right here. Okay, so this is basically our checked out link. Okay, so we have that right here. We also have here the advanced option and then our payment method. So for the payment method, we use card and platform balance, but we can also select the ACH. We also have PayPal, so we have to set up those payment methods, so we can select those as well. Okay, so after that one, you just have to simply click on it. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.